Today marks the beginning of a new chapter, not just for Form, but for the great community of Weirton. People rightly say that the foundations laid here helped shape our nation. I can clearly see the strength and the commitment and the pride of this community are unmatched, and exactly what we at Form needed.
The Form story here is unbelievable. We're celebrating our future. $760 million and maybe even more. 750 jobs and maybe even more.
President John F. Kennedy said, "The sun does not always shine in West Virginia, but the people always do." I'm going to borrow from that quote a little bit and say that while the sun does not always shine, West Virginia's batteries will make sure that the lights always do.
They took a place that looked rusty and dusty to everybody else. They looked through all that and they found the inherent value of the people that live here and the people that work here. We can't be more appreciative for that opportunity. These guys are making products that make our energy grid secure, that make it safe. I couldn't be more proud to be a customer of this company. I couldn't be more proud to be an investor in this company. And maybe I'm most proud of just being friends with the folks in this room.
Excellence is a core feature of what we aim for at Form Energy. And that means delivering not just on the product, not just on the timeline, not just for the community, but exceeding all those expectations. We want to show what's possible on an old steel mill site. And we want to show what's possible for a new West Virginia.